Hi everyone and welcome. I'm just checking, can you all hear me? Excellent. Right, so this week we are learning about congruences. And 39 is congruent to 4 modulo 7. Is congruent to 4 times 1. So you can greatly simplify your work needed to solve certain congruences using inverses.
I want some olives. I only really like the green olives. Look up. This is what I've spent my morning doing. Continuous probability distributions, lots of nice definitions, lovely definitions, some graphical stuff, some properties, some other properties and more properties. I've already had one lecture this morning and I've actually got up and got dressed today. I felt like I needed to kind of go back to how I started because, oh hi by the way, I've not said hi. I've had one lecture today. I've just been to the guinea pigs and my mum's still asleep actually. I think she's very tired, so I'm just talking a bit quiet. I have done a little bit of work. I've sent off a worksheet for my calculus and vectors course, which was due in at 12 today. I submitted that about an hour ago and I need to do a little bit of revision. I found the past week a little bit hard, maybe because I was behind on a few lectures. It might be my fault, it might be, you know, because we're online learning, I don't know. The maths is getting a little bit harder. Yeah, I have found it a little bit harder, so I'm trying to sort of catch up a little bit and get a little bit of work done this week and kind of make sure everything that I did last week is in my brain. I've done a little bit. I mean, I've got 2 courses that I need to catch up on from last week and I've done all of the videos from last week apart from 1, I think. So yeah, I've just found it a little bit hard. And probability, I found it very, very hard. Now I'm going to share this with you. I'm not ashamed of this. I'm not a little bit kind of, not worried, but a little bit like, oh, that's maybe not great. But we have a probability weekly test every week on a Friday that tests the material from the previous week, supposedly. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes we get a question and it's like, that's not from what we did last week. So it's a little bit off sometimes. But I had a test on Friday and I actually got 0. I don't know how, because I revised, and I literally revised for like an hour before the test, got on my notes, read through the lecture notes, read through my own notes, made some more notes, did some practice questions, and then I opened the test and I just thought, I don't know. It was kind of frustrating really. I looked at the questions and I thought, I've never seen a question like that. I don't know what I need to do. Maybe it was my fault, maybe it was the lecturer's fault, maybe it's because we are online learning. So I'm going to try my best this week to kind of revise everything that we did last week so that the test on probability this week goes well. They're out of 20 by the way. There's only 2 questions. Each question is worth 10 marks. You know, I'm sharing it with you because, you know, I'm not going to lie. I did get not a very, well, I didn't get any grade, but you know, we're here and we're trying. So I'm now going to watch some videos for probability that I've got later on. We're going through the supervision sheet, so I need to go through this week's videos. It's quite hard for probability because we have a supervision, or I do anyway, on a Monday, so I have to watch this week's videos right at the start of the week. I've already gone through one video. I just need to go through the other one. But I just feel like my life at the minute is just watching videos and lectures and watching more videos and watching more lectures. Hey, now you can see me. Okay, I'm now typing up some coursework that I need to type up. So we're in a group in our workshop and we've, oh, my thing's gonna die. Okay, I'm here. Now I've done all my probability videos. My tutorial's at 3. It's currently 1:10. I'm gonna do a little bit of typing up for, like I said, some coursework. What we've had to do is get into groups on one of our workshop like Zoom things we put into groups, and we had to work together on a problem sheet, and then we need to submit our answers individually, but we have to type all of our answers up. So what I did on here is we're doing graph theory, so it's a little bit, well, no, it's not a little bit, it's exactly decision maths from further maths. And if anyone's watched my further maths kind of summary video of how I found further maths, you'll know that decision maths was not at all my favourite part of maths. I don't really like decision maths. This is okay, because it's kind of nice to work together on it, but what we had to do was do a worksheet, and I've typed up my solutions here, but they don't want these, well, I've written them here. They don't want the written notes, they want them all typed up in LaTeX, so I need to do that. Okay, I'm going to type up my worksheet on LaTeX. I've just been downstairs to get myself a twirl. Here you go. Is it me or have these got really, really small? It was in a multi-pack, but that just seems tiny. Anyway, I've ate my pizza that my mum gave me. There's actually a little bit of onion that fell off the pizza, so we'll just put that in the bin. Look how cosy it is in here, by the way. We have my nice little lamp on. I've not opened the windows today because just don't feel like bright light. Got my iPad there, laptop, nice lamp. It's looking very cozy, my nice chair. Just thought I'd show you. I'm enjoying working today. Okay, I'm going to carry on with this write-up. Hey Google, play some lo-fi music.
Okay, here's a Spotify playlist called Lo-Fi Beats.
So loud. I've finished my write-up. I actually haven't, oh, hang on a minute. Hey Google, stop. I haven't done this last question here because I haven't done the answer to it yet, so I can't write it up. But this is what my work is currently looking like. And look at this, my to-do list in my planner, all of my 4 things have been ticked off so far. I might add some more to it as well. I've got a meeting with Viola at 5, and then I've got a social media meeting at 6, but I've got everything on my to-do list ticked off, and I ate all my twirl. I'm now going downstairs for like 10, maybe even 8 minutes, and I'm just going to chill for a bit before my probability lecture at 3. I feel like that break lasted about 2 seconds because it's now 3 o'clock. Hello. I haven't been sat here for that long. It's now 7:15. I've not been sat here since the last time I spoke to you. I've been to Lidl, of course, that's what I ever seem to do. It's always what I seem to do in these vlogs. And then I had a call with Viola, and then had a call with some other people from Study Stream, just talking about social media stuff. And now I'm gonna go and have my tea. So yeah, I had a go at the quiz that I had to do. Had a go at the quiz that's due in at 11:59 today. Actually, basically 12. It's due for the end of today. I don't know whether I told you, we have one every Monday for our calculus and vectors course. And I had a go at it, and I got like 1.25 out of 5 or something, but it chooses your best grade out of 3 attempts. You can only have 3 attempts at it, so I'll do another one after I've watched the videos and hopefully get much better than 1.25 out of 5. But I've missed It Takes Two. Oh my god, it's on at the telly. Right, I'm gonna go and chill for a bit and watch It Takes Two, which is Strictly. Let me turn the lights off, and this light as well. It's also really, really warm in here because I've had the radiator on the highest. The radiator's been on 5, so we'll turn it off whilst I'm not in here. Right, let's go downstairs. Oh, let's go. I'm about to lock the guinea pigs up. Oh, you can't see me. Now you can. Hello. I'm about to lock the guinea pigs up, but I've got a little bit of supper. Hello, everybody. Oh, you literally can't see a thing. Let me go and get my torch. Let me put you down here. Who's that? Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Hello, Hilda. They've got spinach. It's only me, Lucy. Lots of spinach. They've got spinach, sweet corn, kale, and a little bit of cabbage. Are you alright, Lucy? Do you want some sweet corn? I know you like sweet corn. Where did it go? Yeah. It's there. It's here. It's a good girl. Good girl. My battery's flashing. Oh dear. Well, for anybody interested, my camera battery died, so you didn't get to see my piggy routine, but let me very quickly take you through it. So, what I do is I do the hay. They put hay in the bedroom, we put hay downstairs, we put hay under their bridge. I check their pellets, I check their water, I give them a little bit of food, I lock them up, I put some like silver insulation over the hutch to keep them nice and warm, and then I turn all the lights off. That's what I do. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the piggies before, but I will give you a little... Oh, that's on my lens. I thought it was a black dot on my wall, but it was on my camera monitor. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen the guinea pigs before. Thanks for watching this vlog. I do hope you enjoyed. I don't really know how this video is going to turn out because I've just put random little clips together, but it's now 11 PM, so I'm going to watch a little bit of YouTube for a little bit. That's bright. I've got myself, of course, a green tea in a football mug, a city mug, and I'm probably going to go and fill my water up and then watch a bit of YouTube and probably go to bed in about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes or so. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm out of breath because I've ran up and down the stairs. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I've got a few videos in my brain that I want to get planned and posted, so let me know if you've got any ideas as well. And apart from that, I will see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Make sure to subscribe as well. Thank you. Right, bye. Just thought I'd show you the state of my desk. So we have crisp packet, glasses, calculator tissue, pens, anti-back, cup, oh, well, it's not random, it's my planner, but doodles, lots of lovely mess on the desk. It's 11:04, so do you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. Let's switch the light off. Let's go to bed.